All right, we're gonna go for a ride in another one of these pace cars. I got two of them. This one's a little bit more rare though. This has the big block in it. 396, 325 horsepower, Muncie 4-speed. They only made 27 of them, and this is one of those. Pretty cool car. Just got a thumbs up, see that? Anyway, it's an SSRS convertible, which is rare in itself anyway, but the pace car, really cool, man. It's got the 14-inch rally wheels on there. It's got the red line tires, which are cool. Bias ply, so a little square when it's cold, but that's the original look, you know. Not a whole lot else, so it's got disc brakes up front. It has no power steering, manual top, got the AM radio, kind of bare bones, but does have the center console. And all the pace cars were this color, you know, the white with the blue interior, the white top. Got the bumblebee stripe around the front. Pretty cool, that's a big block though. Tank. Yeah, this thing only has 60,000 original miles on it, 60,800, and it's been stored for years. So it's you know, it really could use a proper driving. Get out there and use it and enjoy it a little bit. You're not going to kill the value of it as long as you don't modify it much or anything like that. Leave it the way it is. But it's got freeway gears in it. It's got a 12-bolt rear end with like, I think it's got like 307s or 308 rear end. So it's a total highway cruiser. All right, we're going to go up here and take some more pictures and some more video. All right, check out this rare 1967 SSRS Camaro convertible. 396, 325 horse, 4-speed. One of 27 produced. That's a pretty rare car for a Camaro. You know, awesome car though. It's a pace car. A lot of people remove those decals on the side if you just want to drive it around like a regular white convertible Camaro. They reproduce them, so you can do that. But this car's received a frame-off restoration. It's got 60,000 original miles on the car. It was sold at Barrett Jackson, I think, in 2003. And it's been driven 100 miles since then, maybe. I got it from a guy that collected Camaros. He had about, I don't know, 11 or 12 of them. I have the other one of these. I've got the festival car with the 350 automatic. That's a rare car too. But this is a 396, 3¼ horse. I'll show you the interior. It's got the deluxe interior, which is the, you know, the blue with the white stripe around there. It's got the original steering wheel, original AM radio. I've got a lot of documentation on this car. As I mentioned earlier, it was a Jerry MacNeish certified. He's Mr. Camaro. He knows everything there is to know about him. So he had inspected this car, gave it a good clean bill of health at the time. Nice car for a collection though. Something that not everybody has. They didn't make that many of them. How many are left? I don't know. I know there is a registry, but SSRS. All right, here's the power plant in the 67 Camaro pace car. Like I said, one of 27 with a 396, 325 horse, 4-speed, 12-bolt rear end, 307 differential gears. This is all unmodified, just stock. It's got the dual reservoir disc brakes, no power steering. There's the cowl tag there. Kind of tells you what it is, what it was, along with the documentation that we have. But it runs good. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Nice running stock, little big block. Got dual exhaust going all the way out the back, factory stuff. Those cool red line tires are neat. Nice, sounds good. And the big block's got that black in between the taillights. The other one I have is just painted white. Even got a cool plate if you want that, if you live in California. My other one says 67 Pacer. This one says Pacer 67. Hey, buy them both. I'll give you a discount. Well, we offer financing. We can get this thing shipped to your doorstep if you live out of the country or out of the state. A lot we can offer. We also take trades. Well, you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. I'd be happy to show you around. My name is Rich. Thanks for watching.